and we're going to talk about increasing your testosterone levels. Let's see, why is that important? In a nutshell, let me show you. So we want more of this, right? And less of this. So yeah. So I'm going to talk about the different foods that you can eat to increase your testosterone level, which will make a lot of women happy that's in your life. Alrighty, and I'm actually hungry, so I'm gonna also eat a banana. Okay. All right, let's begin. Hey guys, welcome to SkillSnacks. With SkillSnacks, we don't just do education for students, but we do education for everyone. We deal with all healthcare concerns and issues. So today we're focusing on our men. Oh my goodness. Okay. So yes, in this video we will be discussing specifically testosterone and how to naturally boost it in your diet. So as you can see in that picture with the guy, he's holding it here, but as you can see, he's really upset because he's thinking about, here, down. Okay. So anyway, it's important to first understand what testosterone is and why it's important for men's health. So in general, testosterone is a hormone that plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass, your bone density, and your sex drive. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah. And overall energy levels. So very important, especially if you have a mate. Just saying. So let's get into it and find out what you need to be eating to increase your testosterone levels. Okay, guys, so we're going to discuss specifically 7 foods that will increase your testosterone level and help you perform much better in bed and all the other things I mentioned earlier. Okay, so let's begin. So the first thing is tuna. Now, tuna is rich in vitamin D, and tuna helps boost the testosterone level in general. So high in vitamin D, boost the testosterone level. We also have oysters. I don't know how many oyster fans are out there, but oysters is a great source of zinc, which is essential for the production of testosterone. Egg yolks, also very important. So when you scramble your eggs, I don't know if you're someone that separates the whites from the yolk. Don't do that. You need that yolk. You need that fat part of that egg. So in the yolk contains the vitamin D and cholesterol, which is both essential in testosterone production. All right. So also we have fortified cereals. So when I say fortified cereals, I'm talking about oatmeals and cream of wheat and even the cereals children like to eat, right at the table with all the sugar and all that other stuff in it. Whatever your fortified cereal is that you enjoy, that's usually a good source of also vitamin D, which can also increase testosterone levels. I would say choose a really good cereal like an oatmeal or a cream of wheat as opposed to the really, really sugary ones that are in the boxes. But if that's your preference, again, it does have vitamin D as well. Hey guys, so next thing would be our shellfish, our beef, and beans. Again, I said I would name 7, so these are the last 3 of the 7. So with shellfish, different shellfishes such as crab and lobster, they contain zinc, which also helps boost testosterone levels. Beef, some people really don't eat beef much, some people do, but whether you're a beef eater or not, if you do eat beef, it is high in protein, it contains zinc, it contains vitamin D, all essential ingredients to help improve and increase your testosterone levels in your body. So again, if you don't eat beef, maybe you can lean more towards the shellfish, or even just enjoying a nice scrambled egg in the morning or a nice boiled egg. Those things will also help. Last thing, beans. And beans comes in everything. Navy beans, pinto beans, red beans, it doesn't matter. Beans in general are a good source of zinc and it helps increase testosterone levels. So incorporating these 7 food items into your daily routine and your daily meals will increase your testosterone. Guys, just to follow up on the foods that I was mentioning earlier, the specific amounts of foods that you need to eat to increase your testosterone levels can vary. And it's based on factors such as what your current age is, your current weight, and just your general overall health. I mean, you may have cardiac issues going on, or respiratory issues, or any kind of circulatory issues. So only your primary physician truly knows you and what's going on with you. Someone like me, I wouldn't know because I haven't got a chance to examine you and talk to you and find out about your diet and what you eat, what you do each day, your activities, etc. So you definitely want to follow up with this information with your primary physician because, again, age, weight, and your overall health factors into also how much of these foods you should incorporate into your diet. Of course, if you have other questions and you want to specifically ask me, you can feel free to make a comment and I will respond to that, on this video. But in general, most experts recommend incorporating the foods that I've mentioned into your diet just regularly. Like add that fortified cereal or scrambled eggs that morning, or for dinner, have some pot roast or have your T-bone steak, or one of my favorites is a ribeye. I have one every now and then. So have that, incorporate it into your diet. I'm not saying eat beef every single day. I'm just saying try different fruits from the list and incorporate into your daily diet. So for example, let's say a snack. You might get a handful of almonds. Or let's see, for dinner you might have a side of spinach. Some people aren't really big into cooked spinach, but maybe you might want some raw spinach, added to your salad. Or some people like to add spinach to their smoothie. And also garlic. Oh my God, that's huge. Maybe have your wife or you or your significant other or your partner add some garlic cloves to whatever dish you're eating. That's compatible with garlic, of course. But either way, you want to balance your diet, add these foods, and incorporate these foods into your diet, and just slowly increase your consumption of it, and so that way your testosterone levels can build up. But most importantly, definitely follow up with your primary care physician. And even if you have 1 or 2 questions and you don't want to follow up with them right this moment, but you just have a quick question you have to ask, feel free, put it in the comment section. I'd be more than happy to answer the question for you. Okay, guys, so the reason why I brought up testosterone in general, even though it helps play a vital role in many things in your health, but a big thing is, of course, erectile dysfunction. And testosterone is an important hormone for male sexual health, which includes the erectile dysfunction. Testosterone plays a role in the development and maintenance of tissues, blood vessels, nerves, in the penis that are responsible for producing and maintaining erections. So this is a huge thing. And as you can see from some of the photos here, unfortunately, a lot of people are going through this in their personal lives, not being able to perform in a certain way. And it could just be something as simple as your diet. So definitely look into that area. Also, low testosterone levels can contribute to erectile dysfunction by causing a decrease in sex drive. So if you're like, okay, I'm not feeling it tonight, oh, I have a headache, whatever it is, it could simply just be your testosterone levels are low. And also that low testosterone causes a weakening ability to actually maintain that erection once you get one. So it may only last a couple seconds or a couple minutes because the testosterone level is low. So it may not be you personally. It could just simply be because you're missing important foods out of your diet. That can help. Okay, so by increasing your testosterone production, men may see improvements in their sex drive and their erections and just overall sexual performance. So, So you can get back to doing what you do and put that woman out. You be waking up like, oh my God, I don't know what hit me. Was it a hurricane? No, baby, it was me. Okay, you've been eating your food to increase that testosterone. Yes, I have, honey. That's why you were sleeping for like almost a whole day, because I knocked that out. Okay. So yeah. So anyway, remember too that erectile dysfunction can have multiple causes. So increasing testosterone level may not be effective for in all cases. So it's always best to obviously consult your primary physician, whether it's a nurse practitioner or a regular MD, to see what other options they have to treat erectile dysfunction. Thank you guys for joining the Skill Snacks today with our top tips on boosting testosterone through your diet. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. And we will bring more videos to you about men's health because we care about our men. Oh my God, you guys help us to smile, okay? So yeah, we gotta make sure you guys are taken care of. I'm just saying, we take care of you, you take care of us. It's a win-win. Oh my goodness. So yes, hit the notification bell. There will be more information to improve your health. Have a great one, guys. Take care.